and learning!
Hello everybody, it's me, Max. And today's story of the day is an Elephant and Piggie book, Happy Pig Day by Willems. This one looks very good and I can't wait to read it. So, Mr. Narrator, please take it away.
Happy Pig Day by Willems. Gerald's sitting down and Piggy comes running over to him. Gerald! Gerald! I am so happy! Today is the best day of the year! Today is free ice cream day? Said Gerald. No, today is Happy Pig Day! Said Piggy. Happy Pig Day? Said Gerald. Piggy says, yes, Happy Pig Day, the day of the pig. It is the best day to have a pig party. It's the best day to sing pig songs. It's the best day to dance pig dances.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's the best day to eat pig food. It's the best day to play pig games. It's the best day to say, oinky oink oink.
Oinky oink oink.
That means Happy Pig Day in pig.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, said Gerald. I did not know about Happy Pig Day. Look, said Piggy. Oinky oink oink. All my friends are here. Oinky oink oink. 3 more pigs come over. Oinky oink oink. Piggy runs over to give them a big hug. That is a lot of pigs, said Gerald. Oinky oink oink, said the pigs. Oinky oink oink, as the pigs are playing and lifting each other up. Isn't this great, Gerald? The pigs are throwing Piggy up in the air. Gerald? Piggy walks off to find Gerald sitting by himself. Are you okay? Piggy says as he reaches out for Gerald. I'm sorry, Piggy, said Gerald. I have a trunk. I have big ears. I am gray. I do not have a snout. I do not have hooves. I am not pink. I want to say Happy Pig Day in pig, but I am not a pig.
No, you're not.
I am an elephant, and I do not belong. Gerald looks very sad. Oh, Gerald, said Piggy. Happy Pig Day is not just for pigs. Happy Pig Day is for anyone who loves pigs. The other pigs take off their costumes, and it is
Bear, cat, and squirrel is the tiniest.
What do you say to that? Piggy says. Gerald looks shocked. I say, oinky oink oink!
Oinky oink oink!
Happy Pig Day to everyone.
Happy, happy pig day dance!
The end.
That was great. I hope you enjoyed it, and oinky oink oink to all of you. Okay, let's look for the pigeon sneaking on to the back page. I see Gerald with a big nose holding up a sign. Where is it? Oh, there he is. He's hiding behind the sign. He made I love pig into I love pigeon. I like that. Looks very cool. Okay, bye.